Frankie music. Yeah. I do reggae music, causing the commotion. When the music hit me, coming like a potion. Why? Alright. Yeah, me have the waves, never stuck in the ocean. Coffee have a style, them smoother than a lotion. Why?
Here we are at a very, very Florida beach. We've got the two Goonaroonies, Finn and Jeremy.
He's gonna edit this out because he wants it all to look happy. But Tay just told me we have to walk like 7 minutes, he said?
Yeah, like 5 minutes.
We're trapped.
You see where those other bobble things are across on the other side of this tree line? That's where it is. We just have to cross this bridge. What are we about to do?
We're gonna ask the group if we should stay here or not, but I already took my bag off one of my shoulders, so you know what my answer is.
She came down from the mainland, looking for a quiet holiday. She'd been working way too hard. She wanted to get away. She was more the conservative type, wanted to read her books all alone. But one trip to the tiki bar, she never made it home. Blame it on the margaritas. Blame it on the moonlight. Blame it on the sun. Blame it on the ocean. It's so very blue.